What if I told you the reason your body isn't getting stronger isn't because you're lazy, but because you've been doing the right things the wrong way? You walk every day. You stay active. You even try to eat healthier. But somehow, something still feels off. Your strength is fading. Simple tasks like getting up from the couch or climbing stairs suddenly take more effort than they used to. The truth is, it's not your fault. After age 60, your body needs a different kind of signal to build and maintain muscle. Movement alone isn't enough, not even 10,000 steps a day. But here's the good news. Once you understand the real reason, you can reactivate your strength with just 2 simple movements: nitrogen monoxide gym, nitrogen monoxide equipment. No complicated workouts. Just a few minutes that send a clear message to your body. It's time to rebuild. Imagine if these 2 movements didn't just make you stronger, but also helped you sleep deeper, improve your posture, restore balance, and even trigger the hormonal responses your body needs to thrive after 60. We're about to unlock exactly how that works, and it might change the way you think about aging forever. I'm Kieu, HOA, and this is Senior Health Kieuverse, where we help you rediscover the power your body still has. Nitrogen monoxide, matter your age. Exercise 1. The movement that protects. Your independence others a quiet movement, one that determines how long you'll remain. Independent. IT won't earn you applause at the gym or likes on social media. But IT might be the difference between rising on your own or relying on someone else to lift you up. This isn't about fitness. It's about freedom. The ability to lower yourself down and rise back up. You perform this motion dozens of times a day without even thinking about IT. Getting up from the toilet, rising from a chair, climbing stairs. But once your legs begin to weaken, these everyday actions turn into small but daunting battles. That's WHY. This exercise matters so deeply. IT doesn't just strengthen your legs. IT reawakens your body's ability to stand tall in every sense of the word. What makes IT powerful is how IT activates your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all at once. More importantly, IT retrains your neuromuscular memory, the sit-to-stand pattern that many adults begin to lose after age 60. And when you perform IT with intention, something remarkable happens. Your body releases natural growth hormones and testosterone, even after 60. Not from pills or supplements, but because your brain recognizes this motion as vital for survival. The more your muscles engage, the stronger the biological signal becomes. In fact, a study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health tracked 200 older adults for 16 weeks. Those who practiced this movement 4 times a week gained an average of 1.8 kilograms of lean muscle. Not FAT muscle. Even more impressive, their risk of falling dropped by 50%. And that's not just a statistic. It means fewer hospital visits, fewer hip fractures, fewer weeks spent bedridden. Let's look deeper. When you strengthen your glutes, your largest muscle group, you improve pelvic stability, spinal alignment, and walking posture. The result? Better balance, reduced pain in your knees, hips, and lower back. Your quadriceps give you the power to rise. Your calves and hamstrings provide control and stability. Together, they form the foundation that keeps you standing strong, physically and emotionally. I've worked with countless men and women in their 7OS, 8OS, and even 90s who struggled to get out of a car or rise from a chair without help. Again and again. This simple exercise helped them regain confidence, dignity, and a sense of ownership over their movement. So, how do you do it? Find a sturdy, non-slippery chair. Stand in front of IT with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Extend your arms forward at shoulder height for balance. Now, imagine you're sitting down in slow motion. Push your hips back first, not your knees forward. Keep your chest lifted and eyes straight ahead. Lower yourself until your hips almost touch the chair without collapsing. Pause. Then, press through your heels and slowly rise back up, tightening your glutes at the top. That's 1 repetition. Start with 810R EPS. Rest for 90 seconds and complete 2-3 SETS 4 times per week. If you need to sit fully at first, that's okay. Progress is built on small victories. Want more challenge? Hover just above the chair without touching IT. Need IT easier? Use a higher surface. A quick note: if you have severe knee arthritis, a recent joint replacement, or difficulty with balance, consult your doctor or physical therapist before starting. Adjust depth ORU support if needed. One of my clients, a 69-year-old woman, couldn't stand without pressing her hands against her thighs. After 6 weeks of consistent practice, 3 times a week, she smiled and sighed, "For the first time in years, I stood up from my sofa without using my hands. I felt strong again." That isn't just strength, it's liberation. Because real power isn't about how big your muscles are, but about what you can still do with them. This exercise quietly restores your ability to keep doing the things that make you you. It's not a workout. It's preparation for a life you deserve to keep living on your own terms. Exercise 2. Turning back time is a quiet kind of strength we lose without even realizing IT. The strength to twist open a jar, to lift ourselves from a chair, to push a door open with confidence. Most people don't notice IT slipping away until the moment they need it. But what if I told you that a simple movement done the right way could restore that strength and reconnect your body to your willpower? Let's start small. Stand tall, facing a wall. This move may look basic, a simple wall PRESS, but what IT triggers deep inside. Your body is profound. Each push sends mechanical signals through your muscle fibers, awakening them at the cellular level. This process, known as mechanotransduction, is how your body turns effort into renewal, motion into growth. Unlike walking, which only engages your upper body at about 20 to 30% capacity, this exercise activates over 60% of your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. That's enough stimulation to spark new muscle fibers even if you're in your 70s or 8 OS. And here's why it's so remarkable. Low impact, joint-friendly nitrogen monoxide machines. Required it's just you and gravity, working with each other. Not against, but the benefits go far beyond strength. This movement opens your posture. As we age, gravity pulls us forward, shoulders curve, backs round, lungs compress. Practiced regularly, this movement strengthens the muscles that pull your chest open and realign your spine. Better posture doesn't just change how you look, it transforms how you breathe, digest, and sleep. IT even strengthens the muscles of respiration. By controlling your breath as you push and release, you train your diaphragm and intercostals, supporting deeper, fuller breaths. That improved oxygen flow can sharpen your mind, reduce fatigue, and awaken your energy. But there's another hidden benefit: neural activation. Each repetition trains your brain to send cleaner, more efficient signals to your muscles, improving coordination, balance, and fall prevention long before those risks ever appear. So how do you do it? Stand an arm's length from the wall. Place your palms flat at shoulder height, fingers pointing upward. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engaging your core gently. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. keep them at a 4-5 degree angle, not flared lower, until your nose is just a few inches from the wall. Then exhale and push yourself back to start. That's 1 rep. Begin with 810 repetitions. Rest for a minute. Repeat 2-3 sets 3 times per week. If IT feels too easy, step back slightly to increase resistance. If it's too hard, move closer. And now, a quick note on safety. Most older adults can perform this exercise safely. However, if you have serious shoulder injuries, a recent rotator cuff surgery, or unstable joints, consult a physical therapist or doctor first. Always listen to your body. This is about progress, not punishment. I once worked with a woman named Maria, 68, living independently. She started this routine 3 times a week. Within a month, her back pain eased. By month 2, she could lift heavier grocery bags without strain. By month 3, she told me something I'll never forget. IT feels like my upper body belongs to me again. And that's exactly the purpose of this exercise, to reclaim ownership of your body. 2. Rebuild the bridge between your brain and your muscles to renew what time has tried to take away. This exercise won't go viral. IT won't break any records, but IT might help you open that stubborn jar without asking for help or get out of bed tomorrow. A little easier than today. And sometimes that's exactly where real strength begins. Let me leave you with something simple, but deeply powerful. If you're over 60, here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to work harder. You just need to work smarter. Losing muscle with age isn't a sentence. It's a signal, a quiet message from your body saying, I need your attention. And the best way to answer that call isn't through intense workouts or trendy diets. IT's through gentle consistency, small, focused actions repeated with care. 2 OR, 3 short sessions a week, like the movements I've shown you today, can help you rebuild your strength, balance, and confidence. Not instantly, but surely. Remember, muscle isn't built only in the gym. It's built in your kitchen, during your sleep, and in every moment you choose to recover. So nourish your body with enough protein, stay hydrated, rest well, and move with intention. These are the true foundations of lifelong strength. Don't compare yourself to the person you used to be, or to anyone else. At this stage of life, function is freedom. If you can move with control, breathe with ease, and live with less pain, that's success. Don't chase intensity, chase quality, chase purpose, and above all, treat yourself kindly. Every repetition, every breath, every attempt is your way of saying, I still care, and your body listens always. True strength isn't loud or showy. It's quiet and present. When you stand tall after feeling unsteady, when you reach for something without fear, when you rise from your chair without needing your hands, that's not just strength, that's dignity. You didn't watch this video for entertainment. You watched because something inside you still believes in your own resilience, in your ability to live freely, breathe deeply, and trust your body again. These 2 simple exercises are more than movements. They are a reminder that you are not fragile. Age may change your pace, but it doesn't erase your power, because real strength doesn't belong to the young. It belongs to the devoted. And you, my friend, are devoted. So stop waiting for someday. Start today, because today is the moment to rise. Today is the moment to begin again. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Tell me your name, your city, or simply write, I'm starting today. Every movement matters, and you matter. Always have, always will. Before you go, if you'd like a simple way to support your journey, Check out the free movement guide and wellness resources I've shared in the description. They're designed to help you move better, recover faster, and stay strong, naturally and safely. And if this video gave you even one small spark of motivation, subscribe to Senior Health Kieuverse and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss the next videos filled with practical, science-based tips to help you stay active, independent, and confident at every age.